Hi everyone, I'm Stefania and I want to show you a little unboxing from Aliexpress. I get the products today, around 3 or 4 weeks to get to my place. Okay, I bought some balloons for my daughter for her birthday. She will be 5 this year, so I bought some balloons with number 5. I think it was $3 and a little, $3 and I don't know exactly $3. And it is the number, just the number. It is 32 inches, I think. And when it's finished, I will put you some pictures there. It's around standing. It's around 100 centimeters. I can't wait to put it somewhere at the party. So I hope you find this helpful. I think I will put a link in the description box, but unfortunately the product that I bought, I can't find it anymore on Aliexpress because it says it's not sold anymore by that person, but I will put you another one that it's exactly the same. Okay, so there is something else I bought from Aliexpress, and I think it will be very useful for me when I will go to the beach, to the seaside this year. I want to be very comfortable, so I hope you have me. Let's see what I get. Yes, I like those colors so much. So much when I saw them. I saw some pictures from other people and I thought it was okay. Let me tell you something, the pants I think are a little bit too big, to be honest. That's why I was looking so much at the size. Yes, the top is good because I put it on me and it was so cool on my skin, and it was great feeling to wear it, but again I think the pants for I brought L, the size L, and for me I think it is a little big, but I think it will be okay. I hope just when I will swim in the water to not fall off from me those pants, but if it will fall, this is it. I will get them and I will